Do you have music in your life? Life is so beautiful. Music is a place where you relax. We are here to serve the world. We are here to give people a chance, an opportunity to get where they want to be. I have helped people who are facing some anxiety in life, challenges in their life, a career transition, and I'm able to align them to become someone. Is this possible? Yeah, everything is possible. All we do is focus and get results at the end of the journey. You may contact me for individual one-to-one counseling, individual one-to-one conversation over a coffee. Also, coach you and also go deeper to find out what exactly what you need to do, and we just discuss on the very day. I just need to see a resume and meet up with you, and we talk from there. Will it be okay? Yeah. Thanks for calling. Yeah. Thank you very much. See you then. Bye. Find something that you love. Find something that is in you, and that's your passion. That's your mission and